Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. Kids colors name blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, green color and white color. Kids night coloring ABC and 1 to 3. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane and U is blue colored. B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids again use blue color and draw C. C for cat, C for car. D. D for dog, D for doll. E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids again use blue color and draw F. F for fish. G. G for God. H. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. It's neither J. J for joker. The alphabets of J and hue is yellow color. Yellow color. K. K for king. L. L for lion. M. M for moon. It's again use yellow color and draw N. N for nose. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. It's again use yellow color and draw Q. Q for queen. It's neither R. R for rose. The alphabets of R and hue is red color. S. S for sun. T. T for teacher. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for wallet. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. And Z. Z for zebra. Kids neither numbers and first letter 1. The numbers of 1 and use black color. Black color. O and E1. 2. T W 2. 3. T H R W 3. 4. F O U R 4. 5. F I V E 5. 6. S I X 6. 7. S E V E and 7. 8. E I G H D 8. 9. M I N E 9. 10. T E N 10. The numbers of 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.